write it like upside down too.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it does look like an upside down too.
Yeah, ha, with a curve like that.
Okay.
This is ha.
Okay.
Ha. We have several words with ha. So we have here ha. Ha here, like the word habibi.
Oh, Habibi, right.
Darling or my love. This is ha. We have another word like homar, homar, donkey, and you may know that it's offensive to say or to call somebody homar in
It's
Egyptian.
so funny that they say that. It's such a funny, condescending word.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe if you have a friend, a close friend, you can tell him homar, but it's offensive to say it to someone you don't know.